You take a picture or are you videoing?
I'm videoing.
Oh, mother effer. It makes it so much more real. Like, I have to do it now.
Do it.
Don't pressure me.
Put the whole thing in your mouth.
That is the dumbest thing I ever heard. If I do it, I'm just going to take a little bite of it.
You can't just lick it. You have to actually.
Gotta get close.
Here.
I can feel it.
Here, how about this?
Just do it. Just
Hey, no.
It's all in your head. It's all in your head.
Kara.
I can feel it on the
All
tip
in
of my
your head.
tongue. I can feel it.
Turn the volume down.
Whatever.
You're getting excited and you're getting really loud, okay?
I can feel it
Kara, what
burning
do
the
you
tip.
say? Shut the fuck up.
I can feel it burning the tip of
Here,
my
I'll cut
tongue.
a piece off and you can just put the
That's what I'm saying, but she won't
chew on
listen to me.
Okay. Knife it. I was like, and it was like, oh.
Don't cut. Those are Cutco knives.
Fine.
You gotta be careful.
We have these. I've always left it off.
Little bastard, you.
Just chew it. Just chew it.
Take it like a pill. Take it like a pill.
Okay.
No. You
No,
don't.
don't. Just take it like a pill. No, don't do that.
Why?
Just don't.
Just chew it. Eat it.
I'm not getting it in my teeth.
Eat it, girl. Eat it.
Stuck there. I'm like,
Just chew on it. Just chew on it.
I'm not chewing.
Okay, I will
I don't
if
want
you
it in
will.
my teeth.
I will if you will.
No, I got this. Why do I do this?
No, you gotta
Don't
chew
swallow
it,
it. Don't
Kara.
swallow it. Don't. You're gonna be having bathroom problems. You did chew on it?
Yes, I chewed. I can feel it. I can feel it in my mouth. Oh my.
That's really hot.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my.
Don't swallow it. That's good.
Your guys. No.
Oh, that's hot. Is my face red?
Yeah.
Look at your daughter made me do.
She made me eat that.
I didn't make him do anything.
I can feel it in my